Here are 20 phrasal verbs with simple meanings and easy-to-understand examples. These are commonly used in daily life and will help you improve your English naturally. Wake up. To stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Get up. To leave the bed after waking. Example: he gets up early for work. Sit down. To take a seat. Example: please sit down and relax. Stand up. To rise from a sitting position. Example: everyone stood up when the teacher entered. Turn on. To start something. Light, TV, radio. Example: can you turn on the lights, please? Turn off. To stop something. Light, TV, radio. Example: don't forget to turn off the TV before sleeping. Pick up. To lift something or to collect someone. Example: can you pick up that book for me? I'll pick up my sister from school. Put down. To place something on a surface. Example: she put down her phone and started reading. Go out. To leave home for an activity. Example: we are going out for dinner tonight. Come in. To enter a place. Example: please come in and make yourself comfortable. Give back. To return something to its owner. Example: don't forget to give back the book to the library. Take off. To remove clothing or for a plane to leave the ground. Example: she took off her jacket because it was warm. The plane took off on time. Put on. To wear clothes or accessories. Example: it's cold outside, put on your jacket. Look for. To search for something. Example: I'm looking for my keys. Have you seen them? Run away. To leave quickly, especially to escape. Example: the little boy ran away when he saw the big dog. Hurry up. To do something faster. Example: hurry up or we'll be late for the movie. Come back. To return to a place. Example: she went to the store and will come back soon. Go on. To continue. Example: please go on with your story. Find out. To discover or learn something. Example: I need to find out what time the train leaves. Hold on. To wait for a short time. Example: hold on, I'll be ready in a minute.